In this video, I will show you how you can embed your Twitter profile timeline on your WordPress website. This is by using the Smashballoon Twitter Feed Pro plugin. It allows you to embed your Twitter posts and timeline on your WordPress website in fast and responsive feeds like this. To purchase and download the plugin, head over to smashballoon.com, and once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download Twitter Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now on your dashboard, on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click Add New. Next, go click on Upload Plugin at the top and upload the zip file for Twitter Feed Pro, like this, and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And there we go, Twitter Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. But before we can create our first Twitter feed, let's go and activate the license key for the plugin. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll now notice Twitter Feed. Go ahead and click on it, and at the top, you'll find a box to enter your license key. Paste the license key from your Smashballoon account and click Activate. Now our license key has been activated and we can begin creating our Twitter feed. To get started, click on Add New, and that takes us into the first step of creating our Twitter feed, selecting a feed type. With Twitter Feed Pro, you can create a feed of posts from any user timeline, a feed of posts that contain any specific hashtag, and a feed of posts that match a specific search term too. For this video, since we want to embed our Twitter profile timeline, we're going to keep it on user timeline, and that's already selected for us here, so we can go click on Next. And on our second step, we'll have to add a source for our Twitter feed. This is where we enter a Twitter handle. For this demonstration, I'm going to embed the tweets from the NASA Earth Twitter account. So I can type in their handle, like this, and click Next at the top. And for our final step, we'll have to select the template for the layout of our Twitter feed. These different templates allow you to create beautiful Twitter feeds without needing any design skills. We have options like the default, masonry cards, simple carousel, simple cards, and more. For this video, I'm going to go with the simple cards template and click Next. And just like that, we have a beautiful preview of our Twitter profile timeline. This feed is currently showing all the latest tweets from NASA Earth. We can now go and embed this on our WordPress webpage, but before we do that, let me show you how we can customize this. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Feed Layout. At the top here, you'll see different layouts for your Twitter feed. Currently, we have the list layout selected, which displays your tweets in a single column list. Next, we have the masonry layout, which displays your tweets in rows and columns. And lastly, we have the carousel layout, which allows site visitors to swipe through your tweets like this. Proceeding with the list layout, if you look below, you can also specify how many tweets you would like to display initially. Currently, it's only displaying 4 tweets inside this feed, but if you wanted to change that, all you have to do is type in the number of tweets you want to display. So I'm going to type in 6, and you can see instantly that changes have been made inside our live preview. We're now displaying 6 posts inside this feed. And once you're happy with the layout of your Twitter feed, make sure to click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the color palette of your Twitter feed, under the Customize tab, go and click on Color Scheme. You can see currently it's set to inherit from theme. This means that Twitter Feed Pro will automatically match the design of your WordPress theme. Apart from that, we also have a light theme, a dark theme, or even a custom theme that allows you to select the exact colors you want for your feed, just like this. Once you're happy with the color palette of your Twitter feed, make sure to click Save on the top right corner. And if you want to control how individual tweets are displayed inside your feed, under the Customize tab, go click on Tweets. Next, click on Edit Individual Elements. Inside, you'll find all the different elements inside each tweet. We have elements like the author, tweet text, date, and several more. And all of these are fully customizable too. For example, if you wanted to hide the author, you can go and deselect it like this, and that will hide the author on each tweet. You can do the same for any of the elements inside this list. I'm going to bring back author. This way you can fully customize how your tweets are displayed inside your feed to match the exact appearance you're looking for. And if you made any changes, make sure to click Save on the top right corner once again. Lastly, if you want to moderate the content displayed inside your Twitter feed, go into the Settings tab and click on Filters. At the top, you can choose to include replies and retweets by using these toggles. Underneath that, you can also add words as filters to hide or show tweets containing those words. And if I scroll down below, at the bottom, you can also choose to hide specific tweets as well. With these filters, you have complete control to moderate the content displayed inside your Twitter feed. And if you've added any filters, make sure to click Save on the top right corner. Now that you know how to create, customize, and moderate your Twitter feed, let me show you how to embed it on your WordPress webpage. To do that, go click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to add your feed to, and click Add. Now on your page, you have 2 different options to embed your Twitter profile timeline. The first method is by using a shortcode block and pasting the shortcode that you copied earlier like this. Alternatively, if you're using Block Editor, you can use a dedicated Twitter feed block like this. With this option, you'll instantly see a live preview of your Twitter feed inside your WordPress webpage. We can now click on Update and check out what it looks like on the live WordPress webpage. Here we are now on our live WordPress webpage, and right in the middle we have our brand new Twitter feed displaying the Twitter profile timeline for NASA Earth. All the latest tweets from the NASA Earth Twitter account are displayed inside this feed, and if a site visitor wanted to interact with any of the posts, they can simply do so directly from your WordPress webpage. Clicking on a photo or video will open that up inside a Lightbox view, where site visitors can view the content close up with the post text underneath. Site visitors can also comment, repost, and like those tweets directly from your website as well. And you also have a button here to view the tweet on Twitter. At the top of your feed inside the header, you can see the account profile picture, account name, number of tweets, and number of followers as well. And beside that, you also have a follow button. If you click on that, that takes us directly to that Twitter profile. And if I scroll down to the bottom of my Twitter feed, you'll find a button that says load more. If I click on it, it will load even more tweets directly on your WordPress webpage. And if you're wondering if we can embed a Twitter profile timeline onto the sidebar or footer of our website, we definitely can. Let me show you how. Back inside the plugin, I've just created a second Twitter feed for the sidebar of our website. To embed it, go click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your shortcode once again, and instead of clicking on Add to a page, click on Add to a widget. This takes us into the WordPress widgets menu, and for this example, I want to embed my Twitter profile timeline onto the sidebar of our website. To do that, we have the same two options as before. We can either use a shortcode block and paste the shortcode that we copied, or we can use our dedicated Twitter feed block. With this option, we now have a live preview of our Twitter feed inside the main sidebar. Let's click on Update and take a look at our live WordPress webpage. Here we are back inside our live WordPress webpage, and right in the middle on the left-hand side, we have that initial Twitter feed that we created for the main page. But now on the right-hand side, you'll notice we have a sidebar with the Twitter profile timeline embedded within. The Twitter feed we embedded inside the sidebar is just as fast and responsive as our first one. And if I scroll down to the bottom, you can even click Load More to load even more tweets directly inside the sidebar of your website. So you now know how to embed your Twitter profile timeline on your WordPress webpage and on the sidebar as well. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments down below. If you have any technical issues, please contact your awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.